Alright, welcome on YouTube. Good morning, everybody. So Ricky them, anybody? Well, Ricky mostly. So basically, a few days ago, about 10 or 15 days ago, we decided say more invest money in something. They actually are doing a little summer program for a heart. So they give it 3 weeks, but by the time we done the 3 weeks, we have to take another 3 to 4 weeks before we get paid. And job with them place me now is a farm store. So good still, but not really all that. Well, what happened was that they'll start like it because it based around agriculture and I like agriculture. So this was the thing. Like somebody would have come and give me a heads up, but me didn't really get no supervisor to supervise and evaluate the sheet. So the manager they have to pay attention to me and one other youth the whole time because in the also they're there with me. So first week we make about $200 in a tip. Second week we make about $800 in a tip. And we say, well, we can invest this money in something. But they're the place. Cause overall, we really like farming and all of that. So we say we just going to invest money in farming. And first, it was like this. Then look, sweet pepper here. We plant first. Then take about 5 days, 3 to 5 days to bust, 5 days max to bust. And when they come to life, oh God man, I did so proud of myself. I did say they have to plant something else. Now, over the course of the 10 days so far, decide say they'll plant something else, some plant something else. We get tomato and we get melon too. So then I had the melon. Right just so. Melon then the right just on it part off by this white something right just on they made the tomato. Now the funny thing is that because at home I do it with like my T-square to scrape off the dirt. Some of the tiny, like you can see them right there, so some of the small tomato seed them still make it in a melon plant. But that's alright, well, we just have hope and praise it in that go problematic, then not cause problem. But watch us still. Right this one. You can see that melon there boss. And some more melon. It's the first melon will pop. Right now like it'll lay down. I don't know if that's bad or not. But somebody in the comments if you could tell me that I don't really know that much about planting. Just like put things in the dirt and see them come to life. So this little contraption was also made because me get motivated, feel like keep them alive. That's why they may boss in about three days. Them birds, all of them come up like in a 3 days. I'm pretty sure so maybe at the 5th or 7th day now since the melon them plant and look on them. Them a go up high, them a stretch for sunlight and all of that. But then another kind of this little place. I'm gonna try to get something. Ooh shit. Sorry about that. Phone drop out that little thingy. I'm gonna try to fix this. Give me a second there. Alright, as I say, because it under so much or something, and kind of they stretch for sunlight, and so most of the pepper they end up a lean. So I put them out in the sun for like a couple of days, twice. I then get little sunlight and today I might put them in the sun a little bit again to get some more sunlight. Them a lean to that direction because most of the time throughout the day the sun will like come down through little crevice up there so and it would have pelt down on this. That's why I make this little greenhouse looking contraption to kind of just keep the humidity in there so then can pop fast. And by the way, in this little white tissue right there so is some corn when we get from the farmer. Cause like me I pack out bag and thing and all of that. Normally they would have like crushed corn, but I find a couple whole grain in there. I just take them and say, well, I'm gonna bring them on me and I see what I can do. Last night I actually take it out of the wrapper to check, and they actually have found roots already, so that's good. Overall, I have a problem with goat, so I'm trying my best to keep them covered and hidden. But sweet pepper them are coming so good so far, like really good. I'm really proud of myself because the first never have so much, because each of them tray are 128 cell. That means 128 cell, and most of them have at least 3 to 2 seed, like 2 to 3 seed in each plot. So times that by 2 or times that by 3, and here's so much sweet pepper seedlings we have. But for the melon them, one seed to a plot. Tomato, they have too much tomato seeds, so I just drop all it in a plot, like 5 to friggin' 7 in each. So I'm gonna like weed. Other than that, this are the area. I mean, I said I'm gonna get a clean up, called leaf a drop. So I want to do that. I want to build this on the greenhouse on the side also, because I know the rainwater the best thing to catch. So rain would have fall on this, run come down right there. So the stone would have separate the whole heap of water, stop it from pretty much jig this out and jig this over and jig all of that. So it drain down and land right into this. For mother just throw it in a funnel, now I'm buckle. I actually do that already. Get a full buckle of this rainwater. Actually I done, you know. This one could compost and make a sitting and pop in there. Naming for that happen, but anything will grow. This one other composter. This actually really super fertilizer, because they clean up some fertilizer actually, and they just take up everything actually, and they end up there in my yard. So dog food, feeding, the all-purpose feeding. I like breakdown now. Come on, whip it up again last night. You can look close, you can see some red mark, but I like breakdown by now. And so I had a full corn seed there, which is going to be a problem, because they might bust or they might not bust because the fertilizer is too strong. So what I do is take some of this, mix it in a normal dirt, keep it fertilized, and that's it. But like I said, I want to clean up right there, so but we want to, and by the way, this smells terrible. It smells really bad. I'm not even sure I'm so I touch this, because once the fertilizer mix with feeding, it turns poison. So anything we eat it like any animal. That's why they're gonna throw it out. But when we throw it out, I mean, walk past the bin, realize say, holy, the fertilizer I'm gonna throw away. Might as well just keep it. So I bring some more plastic from work if I go expand, because I'm kinda get a little business idea from doing this. I'm kinda know so I can't really keep everything intact, but I have to try. I've got to try something. So just keep yourself leafless. I might fix this up a little bit more to put other things here, so it's pretty much I might upgrade this as well, because I have stuck them in the freaking board. Anyway, rainwater. Oh yeah, by the way, I have one yam right there, so yam, a bus run all about right underneath there, so I don't know if you can see it. Right there, so. And I have one yam around the back. Let me save from some goat. I'm going to show you that. So go run it back real quick. Alright, so this time I am let me save from goat bite. So can I just put it in this? What do you happen? The goat it kind of grow long and tall. Goat seed and then bite off, yeah, so I'm just cut off, yeah, so put it in this, throw a little water on it, and put a little bit of fertilizer around it, and it catch back root so fast. Kind of feel like it need little water right now. It's been a few days without water because I like energy of pushing and making not roots, making leaves to capture more sunlight because it day nice sun so often. So need to water it and put it back up there so it can get its sunlight. Oh yeah, and also this, because the yard kind of open up, they have to put this right here, so, and set it in a way to stop goat. They don't really stop them entirely. Like if them get run, they will run directly in it because they know so they can always go through there. So, but what I say is it stop them because it look like an obstacle. Then can jump over or walk through. So then just leave it at that. So yeah, pretty much that I eat. Compost, fertilizer, all of them tray and everything. Pretty good investment, I must say. But for my yard, even though it have the space, the problem is go to run through my yard up there enough. And well, I'm not up there 24/7, but you still have to think about and plan out and try work out something to get my seed up and running. Either I have to go take them box there when I get from work and chemical box there, get some dirt, stuff them with dirt, glaze it with a little bit of this, a little bit of that on top. I feel like that would be a good idea. Fill them up with dirt and plant the sweet pepper and everything in there. The lady, my manager, she said by the time the sweet pepper then ready, you're supposed to kind of just pluck them out and then come out with the whole dirt and thing. So then you can just drop them in a hole and that's it. I feel like that's one good idea because if it works so easy, you can do it like that. But them melon, them are run up all and them are run everywhere. I even see one root I come from underneath already, so I'm ready. Yeah, may I get to youth, but live in a ghetto community. I might nobody hear me say so. But today, I have truck and load, but the youth come, youth was saying want to work, so I say just forward. Or if nobody don't come, I can end up and do that by myself. More than can't see the bus, because it's really nice to be able to have your own can, or if you have too much, sell your can. And that is Ricky them out. Thanks for watching. If you watch today, and like, subscribe, support the small channel, because it ain't easy at all. Hope you have a good day.